In today's video, I'm going to teach you how iCloud Sync works and how to manage photos and videos on iCloud. iCloud is a fantastic feature that helps you keep your data seamlessly updated across all your Apple devices. But how does it actually work? Essentially, once you're signed in with the same Apple ID on your devices and have iCloud enabled, it keeps your data, like photos, notes and contacts, automatically updated. This means any changes you make on one device will instantly appear on others, provided you're connected to Wi-Fi. Now let's dive deeper into managing photos and videos with iCloud. First things first, you'll want to enable iCloud Photos. To do this, head over to your Settings app, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then iCloud, and finally Photos. Make sure you turn on Sync this iPhone. Once that's set up, you'll need to decide how you want to manage your storage. You have two main options. The first option is Optimize iPhone Storage, which is perfect if you want to save space on your device. It stores smaller versions of your photos on the device while keeping the full resolution versions in iCloud. This option is great if you're running low on storage space. Alternatively, you can choose Download and Keep Originals, which is ideal if you have ample storage available and want all your photos and videos in full resolution on your device. Next, accessing your photos on all your devices is super straightforward. Simply open the Photos app on any device where iCloud is enabled and you'll be able to view your entire library. It's like having a photo album that goes wherever you go. When it comes to freeing up space, deleting photos and videos on the Photos app is a breeze. Just delete them and they'll move to the recently deleted folder. Keep in mind that they stay there for 30 days unless you choose to permanently delete them manually before that. After 30 days, they're automatically removed from iCloud too. This allows for a bit of breathing room, giving you time to recover if you deleted something by accident. Lastly, let's talk about managing your iCloud storage overall. Go into Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud, and finally Manage Storage. Here you can tap on Photos, you'll see your current usage, and you'll have the option to upgrade your storage plan if needed. Alternatively, you can clear out some space by managing the content stored in your iCloud. And there you have it. iCloud makes managing your photos and videos across devices easy and efficient, keeping everything in sync so you don't have to worry. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you get the most out of your iCloud storage system. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.